man. Let me tell you something. Your current situation should not determine your mindset. However, your mindset determines your current situation. I want you to think about that. I don't care what's happening in your life right now. You could be broke. You could be just breaking up out of a relationship. You can have bad credit. You could been and lost everything, or just lost a loved one, or whatever. I've been down all those routes. Understand this. The way that you see yourself is going to determine what those circumstances are to you in your life. Some of these things happen out of your control, and some shit happened because some decisions that you made. But understand, the way you look at them will determine whether this is a bad thing or a good thing. You could turn a fucked up situation into a fairly decent situation with the right mindset. If you're thinking like, oh shit, everything is going bad, I'm about to be a piece of shit, I'm lazy, I'm no good, oh, what the hell I'm gonna do now, and all that type of stuff, tell you right now, you're gonna end up making the situation worse than what it is, and you're gonna make it a bad situation. Versus on the flip side, you can have all this shit going on in your life, right? Life can be in a very bad place right now, but you got the type of mindset like, look, this is only a phase. Or you tell yourself, this is gonna be part of my testimony, a part of my story when I do come out of this, right? Or you tell yourself, I'm gonna use this part of my story to motivate, educate, and inspire someone else, right? See, that's two different mindsets. Which one of those would you rather have? Why the fuck would you want to be going through some shit that's bad, or going through some shit that's tough, and then self-sabotage at the same time? If you self-sabotage while you're going through shit, you made it just that much worse, right? But if you try to keep yourself in an optimistic mind state, right? It ain't always gonna be positive. I guess you would say that's positive because you're being optimistic, but shit can be extremely ugly in your life. But you want to keep a proactive mind state, right? And a mindset to where you see the opportunity in this. You see the positivity in this. You see the benefits of this. Why you can't say, oh, I'm going through this shit and it's making me tougher. It's making me stronger. It's making me wiser. It's making me more valuable to someone I may want to help with this problem, right? Someone else is going to have this same problem. Once I come out of it, I'll be able to help someone else. Or even probably while you in it, you will be able to help somebody else. And I bet that even make you feel good, right? If shit going bad in your life and you decide to exude that same type of energy onto other people, you fucking up and you're a detriment to society. But if you're going through shit and you decide to use that to help other people that's going through shit, right? Now you are an asset to other people and an asset to yourself, because that positive energy is gonna help you get up and fight again one more day. I can guarantee you that, right? And that's what this is all about. It's about the fight. Understand, you gotta have shit on your plate in order for you to have purpose in life. You can't act like some spoiled, silver spoon, pussy ass bitch when you deciding to have things in life, be successful, do things that most people can't. You have to have a certain type of mindset to where when shit on your plate, you step up to it, you eat that shit. You can't think that you're just gonna be able to go through life like a baby with no problems, no pushback, no friction, no trials, no tribulations. That's false, right? You've probably been sold that on social media or chose to believe that. You gotta understand, a positive mindset and a positive mind state, positive state of mind equals progression, equals opportunity. It equals success in the end. And that's guaranteed. Y'all know I lost 2 kids, right? With a year apart, same month, a year apart. I've been divorced, right? Had to start all over, brand new from the ground up and go broke just to start over, right? I was homeless, right, at 17. I grew up in a dysfunctional environment, no dad. My mother's on drugs, right? Been to prison, right? All this shit and all the little shit in between. Had to live with people, pillow to post, because I was homeless. Got to worry with people want to kick you out their house and shit like that. Your big grown ass in there, and you trying to get your shit together, but it's taking a little longer than what it need to, and people putting you out and shit for other reasons, whatever, right? That shame, right? My pride was hit. My goddamn ego was hit, right? Understand, I faced all that shit. I faced all that shit. And I still was able to see myself coming out of it and see myself doing better in the future. I never gave up in my mind. I'm not saying I didn't feel the pain. I'm not saying I didn't cry. I'm not saying that I didn't, have doubts. But what I did have is a vision for myself when I come out of that. That's why I make these videos. That's why on all of my social medias, I've been, motivating and inspiring people for the free, because I know how I feel to be on your ass, right? You probably just need somebody to tell you what I'm telling you, man. Understand that. Try your best to keep an optimistic mindset. You want to make sure that you're going to use this situation. You want to make sure that this situation benefits you. Make sure this situation, something you're going to take, put in your pocket and pull that out and use it to help other people. Use it to tell your story and your testimony to show where the fuck you came from, man, and how the fuck you came up. Feel me? Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, wake y'all asses up.